Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make studio quality vocals using BandLab. BandLab is a powerful digital audio workstation that lets you record, edit, mix, and master music directly from a computer. For vocalists, it offers all the essential studio tools like EQ, compression, reverb, and mastering, making it possible to achieve studio quality vocals. First, open any of the browser you prefer, and after that in the top there's an address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of a BandLab, what you have to do is you can simply go create a new, or you can also go to this previous tracks, go to the studio. Make sure you have recorded the clean vocals, or you can also keep on recording after that over here by clicking onto the start recording. And avoid clipping, don't hit red levels, record multiple takes. And you can also edit your recording. What you can do is you can cut the noise and breaths. You can select this clip where you had noise and simply right click on that, and you can select this delete here. And you can also align the timing with the beat. You can add the effects by clicking onto this effects on the bottom here and select to this add effect here. And you can select to this EQ. You can find this brighter visual EQ. You can select to this effects as well. You can do the reverbs. Over here you can also select to this polish shape. You can also polish the clips. You can select to this feedback killer, and that is it. And after you master the track, what you can do is you can save it or publish it in the top right corner, and that is it. This is how you can make the studio quality vocals using BandLab. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.